In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize tasks in Google Calendar 2026. If you already live in your calendar, using tasks right inside it is a simple way to plan your day and keep moving. We'll open Google Calendar, switch to the tasks view, and then tidy, sort, rename, and rearrange your to-dos so they match how you actually work. First, open Google Calendar in your browser. You can use the direct link or search for it, and make sure you're looking at your calendar home screen. Along the top, look for the check mark icon. It's a small check inside a circle in the top menu area. If your window is narrow, widen it a bit so the icon appears. That's the control that toggles you into tasks. Click the check icon to switch to tasks. You'll now see your task list integrated with your calendar. Tasks with dates land on the right days, while undated items appear in a simple list. From here, mark items complete as you finish them. Click the circle next to a task, and it will move into the completed section. If you check something by accident, you can uncheck it to bring it back to active. Keeping this tidy gives you an accurate picture of what's left. Next, open the three dots menu for more options. You'll find it near the top of the task list. This menu is where Google Calendar keeps list level controls. Use the sort options to organize your task. Choose a due date sort when you need a time-driven plan, or switch to a manual order when priorities matter more than dates. Remember, if you pick a sort like due date, it will override any custom order until you go back to manual. In that same menu, you can rename the list or clear out completed items. Renaming helps when you manage separate lists like work versus personal. Deleting completed tasks is a quick way to declutter. Just review before you confirm, because clearing completed items can't be undone. Finally, drag tasks to arrange them exactly how you want. Click and hold a task and move it up or down to set your own sequence. This manual order pairs well with a daily focus list. If you switch back to a different sort, your manual arrangement is saved for when you return to custom order. And that's it. You open Google Calendar, switch to tasks, check items off, use the menu to sort and manage the list, and drag tasks into the right order. Try it today and give your calendar a to-do list that actually works for you.